Good morning. Excuse me. Today is Valentine's Day, and I'm just walking off my front steps now. I just thought I'd come out and give everybody a view on the amount of snow that we got. Um, but it is Maine, and we are expected to get snow in the winter time. Let's see here if I can hold this steadily as I walk off my steps here. There. Get down here and find the path to go out to the driveway so you can see the snow. You gotta love Maine, that's all I can say. If you don't like Maine and you don't like the snow and you don't like 4 seasons, then it's not for you. We have beautiful summers, falls, spring is absolutely beautiful here. Walking out here. Mr. Ray did a great job cleaning out. He was out, there's Pumpkin, she's out running around this morning. He was out 3 times yesterday. He had to clean the yard. This poor tractor over there. It was out. This here's my woman's cave that I absolutely love and plan to do a lot more with this summer. Hopefully some classes. Here's a little bit of a view of our driveway going down. There's the horse barn, but we no longer have horses. But we used to have 3, 2 standard breds and a halflinger. Oh, Pumpkin wants to play this morning. She's got the cha-cha. She's running all over. Oh, now she's got the cat. Her and the cat are going. Oh, the cat's going to be in the snowbank. That's not going to be good. Give you some more views here. For the folks that aren't used to seeing snow, I just wanted to share what it was like. Going over here into the side part of our woods. Some shadowing sun there going on. The snow wasn't a heavy snow, so that was a good thing. It didn't stick to the trees. It was a very light, fluffy snow, which was very good because nobody lost power over it. This building right here was our goat barn. We had several goats. We had several chickens, several turkeys. I had a head injury in 2000, which left me with some damage, and I could no longer do animals. So we had to get rid of them. We placed them all in good homes with family and friends. We're going to swing over here. And here's the big tractor with the snowblower on the back that has done all the great work that we needed. Swing over here a little. There's my car all cleaned off. Oh, the cat's going to go underneath the tarp. We do got wood there somewhere underneath the tarp. There's my tractor. Ray has his tractor, and I have my tractor. And this is the best snowblower. I bet that thing will blow snow 6 feet high. It is awesome. It's a 30 horsepower New Holland. This is our outdoor furnace. And we do got wood there somewhere underneath. Some more of the backyard here. My car looks like an ice bomb. Swing it back around here. I think I've scared all the turkeys off this morning. They're down on the woods road. They were feeding. We'll take a little walk down and see what's going on down here. I'm just curious, if you live in a state that gets snow, how many storms have you been getting this year? And have they been really bad? This is our woods road that we twitch logs out of. And we also have our wood stash down here under the snow, but it's covered up, so that is a good thing. Oh, the cat's going to try to beat us down this morning. Cat doesn't want to miss anything. Some more of our woods here. We have beautiful trees here, big, beautiful, big, tall trees. We have 175 acres. We grow produce. We do sell it. I'm semi-retired from doing the farm work on selling produce. Pumpkin's looking up at a tree to see if she can see a squirrel, but I don't think there's a squirrel up there, Pumpkin. I don't even see a squirrel's nest up there. All I see is nice blue sky, which is nice. But oh, did I mention to you that we have a storm coming in tomorrow? Another 12 to 14 inches of snow. And then over here was our chicken coop, and I do believe we are going to replenish and get some chickens again. I think I can handle it. Not quite sure, but I'm going to give it a try. This here's my small greenhouse. Many years ago, we did have a greenhouse business. It was like 25 by 100, I think was the dimensions. I know it was 100 feet long. We sold. We had a pretty good little business until the gas prices went up. And when the gas, well, I shouldn't say gas, when the propane went up to almost $4 a gallon, that's a lot of money here in Maine when you gotta try to do a greenhouse that you might as well just take $1 and throw it out the window when you have to start in February because it is very, very cold. Way over here, I don't know if you can see, but there's a metal sideways and a few little things sticking up. Well, that's our sawmill. It's pretty well covered with snow. So I guess there's no sense even taking a trip over there to look at that. So I'll swing it over. The turkeys are no longer out here feeding because I'm making too much noise. And the deer aren't out because they were out earlier today. This morning when Ray cleaned up again, so they had their food. Their bellies are all full. Do you get a lot of wildlife where you live? We get quite a few deer and turkey right now. We have a few coyotes that come through, not many, but we do have bear that come in the spring. We do have to take our feeders in because the bear likes to pull them down and take the feed out and get its belly full and head on its way. We do have moose that come through once in a while. We do have moose in the back property. And pretty much we have the foxes, the weasels, plenty of squirrels. I'm sure they're up in their nest this morning after the big storm yesterday. They'll have a hard time getting around. And we have lots and lots of birds. Well, there. I'm going to give you a view of the front of the house and walk down just a little bit from the front, and we'll see what we got for snow there. Trying very hard not to make this jiggle, but I'm using a tablet and it's very hard. I wished I could find a holder for my tablet. So anybody out there viewing knows how to walk with a tablet without it jiggling, please let me know. I'm all new to this, and any little tidbits to help me would be great. Yeah, we're back to my woman's cave. This is the front of it. Actually, this here is big enough. It could be a little house. Actually, legally, it's probably bigger than a little house that could go on the road. And there's our tool shed down there, the blue one, that we put our garden tools in. And I have herbs and flowers starting here, probably going halfway down the driveway. Swing it over here. Give you some shot of our field. This is in front of our home. We call this our front yard. I mow all this in the summertime with my tractor. I mow, and we own also across the road as far as you can see through the woods. I mow 15 acres, and I like to keep the grass mowed up. So that's usually a rotation of every 4 days. Okay, I'm swinging this around now so you can see what the front of the house looks like. You can see the whole house except for on the far end to the left. We have a little room that comes out, and that is our hot tub room. Okay, folks, I won't bore you anymore. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you back here for some more great videos. Bye now.